Customers now have expectations that change at the speed of technology or at the speed of digital, to use your words. And what do I mean by that? As soon as something new is announced, as soon as a new upgrade or a new release is done in software, customers expect that it's going to deliver them immediate or almost immediate value. It's like they can't wait for, when can I have it? Why is it not rolled out? Right? What does it mean for me? And it's a real struggle for organizations operating with technology as a service to keep up with those expectations now. So it's not just your physical product, but because you've got digital products, because you're now servicing your customers, even if it's a physical product, which is a great example of the Tesla vehicle that you mentioned, how am I, as an organization, now going to keep pace with customer expectations? Do I even understand what those expectations are? They are changing even before we can bring new releases to market, or before we can upgrade, or before we can innovate, and before we can do anything that keeps up with those expectations. So for me, that is a key challenge for a lot of companies.